Today we are going to see some of the sample questions in science. Okay, these questions are 5 and 3 mark question. Okay, now we move to the question. Now the first question is, when does ovulation occur during the menstrual cycle in a normal healthy female? The answer is, ovulation is nothing but release of mature egg from the surface of the ovary. This usually occurs mid-cycle around 2 weeks or so before menstruation starts. Menstrual cycle is around 28 days. Out of these 28 days, about 14 days the ovulation occur. Second question is, draw a label diagram of female reproductive system. This diagram represents the female reproductive system. Now the second question is, how are fossils formed? Fossil fuels are organic materials formed on the earth as a result of slowly decomposing plants and animals. It takes millions of years to obtain fossil fuels, and this is why they are regarded as non-renewable source of fuels. Fossil fuels comprise of crude oil, coal, and gas. In general, decomposing dead plant material from coal, while crude oil and gas are formed from dead marine organisms. Generally, fossil fuels are non-renewable source of energy. Then, several million years ago, a large number of ancient living plants and animals died and their remains were buried in the mud. As the years went by, additional layers of mud sediment were deposited until rising temperature and pressure beneath the earth compressed and converted the mud into rock, while the dead plants and animals slowly decomposed into fossil fuels. Now, the third question is, explain Mendel's experiment with bees on inheritance of traits considering only one visible contrasting character. The answer is Mendel's one visible contrasting character like tall and short plants. He took garden pea plant with visible character like tall and short. In F1 generation, all the plants were tall and it indicates that tall plants are dominant. Then he allowed for self-pollination. In F2 generation, all the plants were not tall, some are short. Thus indicates that dominant, which means tall plants, and recessive short traits are inherited in F1 generation, but only dominant trait was expressed. Fourth question is, discuss in brief of the various modes of reproduction used by single organisms. Asexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction in which a new offspring is produced by single parent. The new individuals produced are genetically and physically identical to each other, which means they are clones of their parent. Asexual reproduction is observed in both multicellular and unicellular organisms. This process does not involve any kind of gamete fusion and there won't be any change in the number of chromosomes. There are different types of asexual reproduction: binary fission, budding, fragmentation, vegetative propagation, sporogenesis. This image represents binary fission. And then there are four images which represent asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, spore formation, budding, and regeneration and fragmentation. Now the last question is, a square wire of side 3.0 cm is placed 25 cm away from a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. What is the area enclosed by the image of the wire? The center of the wire is on the axis of the mirror with its two sides normal to the axis. So the given values are focal length 10 cm and the object distance 25 cm. So here minus 25 cm is used for sign convention. Substituting those values, we can get V value, which means minus 50 by 3, and substituting the magnification formula, which means minus V by U, we can calculate the value, and then we want to calculate the height of the object. So h dash by 3 is equal to, by substituting those values, we can get h height is minus 2 cm. Converting into centimeter square, we want to get the value in positive. So we squaring those values, so we get 4 centimeter square. So the 4 centimeter is the area of the image of the wire. Okay, thank you for watching.